Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we're gonna try to make a pressed sandwich. Although I haven't quite figured out how I'm gonna press it yet. But let's see how we can try and do this. Alright, so we're starting off with some bread from When Pigs Fly Bakery, and this is like a harvest bread. It's already got some fruit in it. I am a big sucker for fruit-based breads. I don't know why. I just kind of like that there's a little bit of sweet surprise in every bite. So we've carved some cheese off of our freakishly large cheese package over there. And I'm pretty sure you can use whatever kind of cheese you want here. Chopping up into little bits, this is going to be the bottom half of the sandwich. It's going to go face down on the hot surface. And I want this cheese to hopefully melt, so when I cut it, I get some gooey goodness. Oh, that might be too much. Okay, on top of that we've got some arugula and spinach here. I'm a little bit worried this is gonna do the thing that spinach and greens sometimes do, which is it tries to escape from the sandwich when you're eating it or when you're cutting it. So I'm gonna tear it up into little bits. Definitely use clean hands for all this prep work. Okay, next up. On the top of that sandwich, I'm going to add a little bit of cranberry sauce. I mentioned I'm a sucker for breads that have a little bit of sweetness, and sandwiches that include that, and I really want to get some cranberries in here. If anybody's interested in learning how to make this orange cranberry relish, let me know. I don't have a video on that, but I could make one. Okay, face down. Now, I'm going to oil a pan up here. Turn up the heat a little bit. And stick this in the pan so that it can start frying. Now I mentioned I wasn't quite sure how I was going to press this. And I think what I've decided to do is take another pan and stick it on top. I learned how to make coffee this morning on James Hoffman's channel. Coffee has come out really good. Coffee's a good thing to do while you're waiting for your sandwich to cook. This is a prototype. We're going to see how this works. Hopefully it's good for lunch for the family. It's definitely getting a little bit flat, but I'm not hearing any noise yet, so we'll just keep waiting. I'm waiting for it to hear a little bit of frying noise in the bottom there. Okay, so my sandwich has definitely started to press and get flatter. Also started to smell amazing, and I can tell it's starting to crisp up on the bottom, so let's see what this looks like on the other side. What do we think of this? This looks pretty good. Let's give it a shot. By the way, while I'm eating this, take a short venture down there to the subscribe button and join my channel. That's good. Have you clicked subscribe yet? Awesome. This will work. This pressed really well. It started melting. I think it could melt more. So next time maybe instead of 3 minutes on here, maybe like 4 minutes. But this is really good. I'm surprised you can make this at home so easily. This didn't require like any special equipment except for me to stack 2 pans and hopefully not have either one of those topple over. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments. Click subscribe, like, and then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.